All right, guys, what's up? We have finally made it to the day I have been waiting for a while. We are at the track for our first test day with the basically new car. All the new stuff is on. Dyno tested. You saw last video, dyno went great. Freddie did an awesome job tuning the car. All the ECU master products, Beachworks, some new performance, 1BC engines, heat coil pistons, real street billet mains in there as well. And I'm very, very excited to drive this car. Like, I have not driven in a year. Next week's a year since the last round of clutch shakers, the last time I actually drove this car. But we're here, we're all set up and we're ready to go. We're all set up, got the new action clutch tent up here. Looks pretty sweet. Got the car cleaned up, tire pressure set, shock set. I actually didn't film it, but I got a firewall. I built the firewall myself. Firewall is in because we have a fuel cell back there now, but looks pretty good. I'm pretty proud of myself. Car's ready to go. Fresh oil change after the dyno. And we're ready to freaking go, man. I am so excited. I can't wait to drive this car. Alberto's here too. Driving, testing some tires out. You ready?
Yeah, we're official.
Oh, are you a freaking Formula Drift driver now?
No.
Nope.
I got that for free.
Oh, well, it makes sense.
At the parking lot of 15.
Oh, yeah. But we're here, ready to drive. I'm very excited. Now, let's get to it. Again, the car is prepped, ready to go. Time to clunk it in gear and floor it. Let's do it. Holy fuck! Dude, the limiter's retarded.
How's it feel?
Great, but the pops are fucking retarded. You hear that?
Was that you or the car
That was
behind
me.
you? Oh.
That's
What are you laying in it really hard?
Oh yeah!
I can turn it down some.
I don't need that much power right now.
Alright, turn the boost down. We got a white. White is right.
You right? Oh, go. It was loose, but fuck.
Huh?
It was loose, but fucking holy shit.
Yeah, like IAT sucks.
Hot?
I mean 140,
That's
yeah.
hot.
And your cooler is small, but you put a lot of boost through it. You need a lot. Nice run!
Yeah.
good though.
What?
There.
That was bald tires, bro.
That's crazy. I want to know how that fucking feels with fresh tires. It felt grippy.
Did it break? Oh, God damn it. Alright guys, so I did an absolute terrible job at filming today, like really bad, and I'm sorry. So I got a lot of GoPro footage, some outside footage as well, but all in all, the testing day went absolutely amazing. We left it on low boost the whole entire day and the car performed flawlessly. It was literally everything I ever could have imagined. All the hard work, money spent, and all that time paid off, and I'm very, very happy. We did have one issue with the belt snapping. We replaced it and we were fine after that. So I don't even count that as an issue. That's whatever compared to what we've done before. So I got that fixed, went out and drove more. It was a bunch of fun. Thanks to Paul, especially Freddie as well, Isaac, everybody who was there helping out, hanging out. But I'm very, very, very stoked on the outcome. I am absolutely exhausted. I did not stop for this past week in this freaking car done so I can drive. But big thanks to my awesome sponsors, family, and friends to get all this stuff done, helping me out with this car. I could not do it without you guys, and I'm so very stoked to continue on driving and this thing dialed. So next up, we're going to be driving V2 Lab on the 29th. It's a humongous event at OSW, free ride-alongs, $10 to get in, car show, drag strip, and we're going to be out there shredding. So I'll see you guys there. Once again, thanks for watching.